Are you thinking of moving to Spain, or are you already living in Spain? Looking for a way of making some extra income, working from home online? Well, I've got some great news for you. Hi, my name's David Wright and I live here in Almeria, southern Spain. And for the last few years I've been making some money online, working from home the hours that suit me. If you want to know how to make a real online income, writing about the things that interest you, and live anywhere you like, not just in Spain, then click on the link in the video description box below this video. It's a setup for you system that anyone can use to start generating a real online income working from home online. This is great if you're living in Spain. You can do it the hours that suit you from your home PC. So click on the link in the video description box below this video now and see how it works. Thanks for watching.